sobrang lamig na nanginginig na talaga ako. Oo, so, basta,
He's amazing. Kaya ako sobrang galing talaga ni Carlo dito. At talagang in full view natin makikita yung pain talaga ni Woody. It's really his journey, and Lin is just gonna teach you a lesson. Yeah, ang galing talaga ni Carlo. But Kaloy is good all the time. So,
At saka second movie niya nung dalawa, ano na-discover niyo kasi sa isa? Julia and Carl.
nagti-3-in-1 coffee pala si Julia. May favorite siya doon na 3-in-1 coffee na lagi niyang binibili pag morning. Tapos gumagawa siya, tapos bumibigay siya sa akin, tapos gagawa siya ng sarili niya. Oo, tapos may eyes, gano'n.
eto sobrang saya. Paano ba? Maybe I am. I love this version of Kaloy that I was able to work with. It Hold Me Close. And not that hindi siya masaya kasama ng Expensive Candy, but this was the best version of Kaloy, and I super enjoyed him this time around. All of us. Kasi same team ni Direk yung gumawa ng Expensive Candy, gumawa ng Hold Me Close. So lahat kami were like, oh my God, like, he's talking! Yeah, he was really fun to work with.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, that was Roldan Castro of Abante Tonight.
Carlo, kayo ba yung tipo ng tao na kapag nalaman yung heartbreaker yung isang tao, nalayuan mo, parang bibigyan ng chance?
Siguro kung mananakit, bakit pa? Oo, parang sayang sa oras ko. I'll pass. Auto pass.
Oh, please come. Joke lang. No. Because I feel like everybody deserves the... Kung alam mo na, heartbreaker. Hindi, kasi I feel like human nature, parang, yeah, you'll be scared. You'll have your second thoughts, but if your personality is to see it for yourself, to give it a chance. Because everybody deserves a chance. Baka iba naman yung experience mo.
Heartbreak naman, hindi lang naman nagagalit sa significant other. Di ba, minsan sa friend, minsan sa sister, minsan so, thank you.
Thank you, that was Nas Tabanes of Pelikula Medina. For our next question, we have Abed Navas of Marites University.
Hello.
Hello.
Direct sa'yo muna. Sige. Napapansin lang namin na yung mga projects o laging parang may kakaiba na elemento like yung kahit na sa alaman, lulunod na sa may ka sa mga kwentong may mga yun na, misteryo, may mga superpowers. Anong nakaka-attract sa direct na gumagawa ka ng mga ganito yung pelikula?
Yung desire lang po talaga na mabigyan ng pali. Yung usual din ginagawa. Especially, di ba, karamihan ng mga Filipino audience minsan nag-reklamo. Napakaulit yung ginagawa ng mga pero yung mga producers naman namin, gusto din lang gawin yung usual. So I'm trying to combine the two. Familiar yung genre, familiar yung tropes, pero merong sprinkle of uniqueness.
Pero mahirap ilagay yung mga ang story.
Hindi naman siya gano'n kahirap kasi for the past decade na sa career ko, parang nahubog na yung kakayahan ko sa paggagawa ng mga romance na stories. So, doon kine-careful design ko lang paano mag-mix yung dalawang genre. Dapat o romance na natin.
Sa movie na itong kikita namin, mararamdaman namin yun. Kina Julian and Carlo, medyo release ko ng pati personal. So kumusta na yung friendly relationship nyo kasi si Carlo nung magkatulaw ka sa Candy, Expensive Candy, single pa siya that time. Ikaw naman, you're both happily sa ating mga karelasyon. So, may mga tips pa kayong pinag-uusapan off-set or nag-share ba ng something about na mga bagong, mga yung sa buhay nyo ngayon?
Oh, catch up lang. Kasi nga nung time na ginawa namin, actually ito, hindi pa ako kasal.
Talaga?
Ngayon lang kami nagkita na married na. So, tinatanong na married na. Yun. No naman. Wala, okay naman. Kamusta? Kinakamusta ko si Jed dahil nakatrabaho ko din si Jed. Tapos si April, kinakamusta din niya. Wala naman, nagpipito ba ng advice?
Or tips?
Satisfied you, forever.
More catch up. Kasi 2 years din ang pagkita niya expensive candy at saka ni hold me closer. So it's more catch up. Sabi kami sa life mo, tapos sa life mo. And then yun naman, I think I just got to know him more in hold me close, which is more about him as a person.
Para kasi iba yung ano ko ng expensive.
Expensive candy eh. Parang isang tanong sa kanya, isang sagot natin.
Iba pa yung mindset, iba pa yung...
Oo.
So now, mas malalim ang friendship nyo na ano.
Oo.
Yeah, oo naman. Ang ganda ng mention namin ka may iyak. Appreciate ko sa talaga, sobrang.
Last question there. 100% sa Japan yung lahat ng movie or may mga
Yes, sa Jakarta.
lahat ng throughout? Okay. Thank you and good luck. Congratulations.
Thank you, that was Abel Tapos of Marites University. For our next question, we have Miss Ana Piccolo of Pika and Abante.
Si Kaloy, paka-explain yung passion mo to. Medyo
Possible.
Gusto ko lang pakita yung 1987 ko na wasteland.
It's very Kaloy.
yung passion. Kung merong tao na wala pa sa buhay niyo na gusto niyong sabihan ng bold ito, sino yun? Not necessarily yung romantic. Pero someone na parang gusto niyo sabihan ng close.
Sino ba? I think yung kuya ko, kasi matagal na kami nakikita sa US siya. And parang feeling ko na sa point siya ng buhay na kailangan niya concern sa kuya ko.
Ako, siguro yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi tumatandaan na rin kami lahat. So parang we're just navigating through our different lives. But still hand in hand, still together. It makes us stronger.
Siguro ako si Mickey. Yeah.
Thank you very much. That was Miss Ana Piccolo of Pika and Abante. Up next, we have Jacob Manahan, a TikTok content creator.
Hello guys, at saka congratulations sa Hold Me Close and it's part of 50th and another. Parang hindi pa natanong ba kung ano yung role yung dalawa? Can you tell us what is your role dito sa K-Drama Hold Me Close?
Ayun, ako si Woody Carrera. Si Woody, feeling niya, alam niya kung saan siya papunta pero hindi. Feeling niya, alam niya yung mga gusto niya sa buhay pero hindi. So parang for the past 6 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tama ba? 6-7 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tapos leaving fragments ng mga broken self niya dun sa mga pinuntahan niya. And then eventually,
Personal mission niya naman, mahanap yung perfect home.
perfect home. So hanap siya ng hanap. Eventually, nakilala niya si Linlin na tutulong sa kanya na maging buo. Kahit na si Linlin may mga hindi rin buo. So, gano'n.
Si Linlin naman is, well, as we saw sa trailer, has the special ability to foresee if someone is gonna be good for her or not. And that hindi pa syempre nasa trailer, pero mapapanood natin sa pelikula kung paano nila nakuha yung ability na yun, kung ano yung naging root. Malalim din yung story ni Linlin kung bakit siya naging yung tao na what do you say that? How she became the person that she is. And then she meets Woody, who kind of changes her life. And teaches her na yeah, to give chances and to open your heart and to bring down the wall. And I think one of the important things that I realized ko din about the movie is that not just because you hold someone and you get the bad feeling doesn't mean they're gonna be bad for you. Maybe they can be bad for themselves. So, baka meron sila, it's not about Linden, maybe sometimes it's about you. There's something that you have to
Parang yung ability nga ni Linden, parang mas
nakatulong.
intense lang na judger eh.
Oo, yes, pero ano lang naman, parang yung criticism is parang yung productive na criticism. We'll see in the movie, it unfolds in the movie. It's hard to share, especially from the trailer because it will give it away.
And we can wait to watch the full movie. No? And for my second question, since Holding Close is part of 50th MMFF, sa inyo pong tatlo, ano yung look forward nyo dito sa festival? Lalo na 50th is very special po.
Ano lang, the celebration of Filipino movies. I'm sure lahat na kasali, they brought their A. Ganun lang, hindi ko siya tinignan as competition. Kasi ako personally, every MMF talaga nagmamarathon ako sa sinehan sa mall. Ayun, I look forward to watching all of the entries.
Me, aside from the float, I'm really looking forward dun sa float actually. Because the first one I did was in 2016. Vince Catherine. So, I'm looking forward to that, but I'm also looking forward to watching all of the movies that's part of that.
Yung ako din, yung celebration, puro Pinoy na pelikula yung papanood mo this Christmas. Tsaka excited ka din ako sa float. Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi yung float.
Thank you very much. That was Jaco Mananet, a TikTok content creator. Up next, for our next question, we have Bix Almacen of Abante.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm so happy to see you again, both of you. I have only one question. Pagdating sa pag-ibig, how much pain are you willing to tolerate?
Hindi ako masyadong parang ayoko na ng pain na eh. Diba? Pero kung sa tingin kong worth it naman yung pain at gano'n mo kamahal kung pupunta ka na sa parkir, gano'n. Basta mahal. Yan, okay lang.
Kasi kasama yun sa pag-ibig.
Totoo, kasama sa buhay.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman may iwasan yun. So, yes. Basta mahal ko, kaya ko pag-iisan tayo.
How about you?
Yeah, all the same. I think, yeah, the person who makes you happiest is also the one who can hurt you the most. They hold that much power, right? But I think we welcome the kind of pain that we become better for, that we learn from the struggle for. Pero if it's the kind of pain that's, you know, kung hindi siya good kind of pain, you can walk away from that.
Well, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much for that question. Bix Almacen of Abante. Up next, for our next question, we have CJ Buadel of CJ Says Vlog.
Yeah. Hi guys, good afternoon. So first, Aiden and Jamie. Hi Greg. Without spoiling anything or just a teaser, what can we expect from Holding Close and bakit kailangan namin unahin ito sa Pasko?
Well, kagaya ng mga napapag-usapan kanina, parang you can really start a conversation about, how we relate to people or how we connect with people in spite of yung mga bad things we know about them. Feeling ko okay siyang panoorin sa Pasko kasi Christmas can be an opportunity for learning. And I'm very confident na pagtao ka naranasan mo mga mahal, meron kang makukuha sa pelikula ito na magagawin mo sa buhay mo. yun. Meron, of course, natin pa yung entertainment factor, pero ako yung lesson na pwede na i-part ng movie. I think yung pinaka-valuable sa whole videos.
And for my last question, to Julia and Carlo, ano yung You Hold Me Close yung Box Office Success or MMFF Best Actor, Best Actress Award?
Ikaw ba? Hindi ko inisip yung ganyan. Oo, parang mas sana ma-inspire yung mga tao kasi nga pinag-uusapan din dito yung mga traumas, tungkol sa mental health, and mga tungkol sa ganung aspeto. Sana lang mas makurot namin yung puso ng mga mananood.
Yeah, I would have to say the same. Nakakawala yung focus on stuff like that. You just really want to have an impact on people's lives.
Thank you, Leon. Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your questions. And we have here more. We have a question from Mikey Venus